Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am sharing with you another collection of beautiful table runners of crochet work. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs in this video. All of them are beginner friendly as you can see, and I have included patchwork designing ideas and simple crochet rectangular table runner designing ideas in this video as well. You can see this beautiful designing idea which is having larger sized doily and crochet flower of 3 rounds, and this one is also a lace doily pattern. Many of the designs have lace doily patterns or lace coasters pattern in them, which are attached together with different techniques using sewing yarn with the help of sewing needle, and you will see designs which are attached together while they are made as well. So all different designing ideas having contrasting color schemes and single color are included in this video. Like this one is made with very attractive contrasting color scheme, and this one is made with just single color. Gray color is used to make it, and you can see this beautiful pattern having tassels with wooden beads at the end as well. So all of these designing ideas are unique, and I hope you're gonna love them all. If you love them, just give them a try by taking a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. If you don't know how to make them and you want step-by-step videos, then just let me know in the comments as well. I will also upload crochet tutorial videos of different table learners on my channel, because other than these kinds of ideas videos containing latest trends of different handmade products, I also upload crochet tutorial videos. So many of the pattern videos are already available on my channel, which can be converted into table runners. And if you are interested in any specific design which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request of any specific crochet pattern. Many of the crochet patterns like table runners, doilies, square patterns, rectangular patterns, round patterns are available on my channel, and many of the crochet accessories patterns like hats, crochet baby headband, crochet baby dresses and hats, and crochet baby shoes tutorial are also available on my channel. You can just check them out as well if you are interested in making some patterns for your baby girls or baby boys. Unisex patterns are also available on my channel. So just stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.